Hello and welcome to Kitty's Home Kitchen. Today we are bringing to a mouth-watering recipe. It's a vegetable recipe which contains zero oil. Or just looking to try something new in this video. Let's get started. Into a hot pan, I'm going to add some cumin seeds followed by black cumin seeds. I will give a gentle stir into it. I will allow to cook until it will release its aroma. Followed by sesame seeds. This is completely optional, however, it will give a nice aroma with a delicious look. Once it started releasing aroma, I will be putting some curry leaves. You can use fresh curry leaves, however here I am using dry curry leaves. It depends on availability. It will give another flavor to the recipe. Now time has come to put some water into it. I will mix all the ingredients by giving it a stir. Here is some fresh ginger garlic which I have crushed. You can use even paste. At this point of time, I am adding ginger garlic. Again, I will mix all the ingredients together. It will combine well. This is the perfect time when I will add all the vegetables one by one. First, I will add some chopped potatoes along with some chopped pumpkin, along with some okra, followed by white radish. Here, these all are my favorite veggies. You can add veggies of your choice. Now, I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes into it. It will give nice color along with flavor to the recipe. This is the time we are adding salt into it. This salt will help to release the moisture from the veggies and it will get cooked on its own moisture. Once all the ingredients are mixed properly, we will allow to cook in low flame for 10 to 15 minutes by covering the lid. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'm back again. Let's open the lid. Still, I can see there is a good amount of moisture. We'll give a gentle mix. By the time I checked, all the veggies are cooked nicely. This is the time we can add some black pepper into it, followed by chopped coriander. While pre-cooking are easier on digestive system, it may reduce the symptoms like bloating, gas and indigestion. It may help to lower our cholesterol level. Cooking without oil encourage you to explore a new way to add flavor into your dish, such as using fresh herbs. Here I'm using coriander leaves as well. Overall, zero oil cooking encourages us to lead a healthier lifestyle. It's time to serve our veggie. If you found the information is helpful and enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends who might be interested in exploring zero oil cooking. Stay tuned for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thank you guys and see you on next video.